Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Mike Green. I'm one of the owners of 1A Auto. I want to help you save time and money repairing and maintaining your vehicle. I'm going to use my 20 plus years experience restoring and repairing cars and trucks like this to show you the correct way to install parts from 1AAuto.com. The right parts installed correctly. That's going to save you time and money. Thank you and enjoy the video.
In this video, we're going to show you how to remove and install the heater and AC blower motor on this 98 Explorer. The motor is the same for 95 to 05, so this procedure will be exactly the same for any 95 to 01. It should be pretty similar for the 02 to 05 as well. Tools you'll need are 8, 10, 11 millimeter sockets with ratchet and extension, and a flat blade screwdriver.
Okay, so we're looking under the hood here at the passenger side. And first thing we're going to do is remove this little guy, which I believe is a servo motor for your cruise control. Just a 10 millimeter socket or wrench. And then once you get the bolt out, just kind of shake it out. Put it right up there for now. Now that you have that aside, you're actually going to want to unbolt your radiator bottle and washer fluid bottle. Which means that first you have to remove your airbox. So first you just want to undo the clips here on each side. Then your airbox comes up and slides over. And then you can lift it up and out. I'm just going to kind of move it over here a little bit. Now you can just lift your air cleaner up and out. Okay. And then your air box is actually just into some rubber grommets here and here. And also you can see right into the fender here and here. So to get your air box out, what you're going to want to do is just grab hold of it and you pull up really firmly and one will pop. And now take a screwdriver and put it under here, and that'll help you to pop this one out. I'm lifting up on that screwdriver, lifting up on my airbox, and the other one pops. Okay, and now you pull it out this way from the fender. Then you can actually take out off these rubber grommets. And you can see here's the things on the bottom that are hold it into the bottom. And I'm going to take these grommets and just kind of put them back into the fender here. Okay, now we're going to remove the 4 nuts and bolts that hold the washer and radiator bottle in place. One there, okay, one right in there, and then one right down there.
And interesting to note that the nuts that go down onto the fender, the lower nuts, are 11 millimeter, and then the 2 bolts that go into the side of the fender are actually 10 millimeter. So I'll quickly just remove those.
And once you have it unbolted, you just want to lift it up off the studs and then just slide it forward some just to give yourself a little more room to get to the blower motor. Okay, now here's your blower motor. You want to disconnect your harness here just like that. Then this tube here, just a rubber band kind of, just like that, and comes away. And then you have 4 8 millimeter bolts, 1, 2, 3, and then way down in there, 4. Now you can pull your motor right up, get your harness out of the way. This whole thing comes up and out. Okay, so here's my original motor, new motor from 1A Auto. You can see the connections are all the same. It does come with a gasket. Okay, and then it's going to all bolt in exactly the same. Okay, this motor is actually fine, so I'm going to reinstall my original. But symptoms of a motor going bad is it starts making a groaning or high-pitched whining noise and that changes with the different speeds of the fan setting. So when you start hearing that, that's when it's time to get a new motor. You can take this rubber boot out of here and then put your motor down and in. Make sure that the harness isn't caught up in behind there. And then there's little pins here that the motor goes onto. Okay, right there and right there. So you locate it, and now you can put your bolts in and tighten them up. Now you can take your rubber boot, goes on right down in here. Okay, and then stick that rubber band around and then push it into the side of the motor where it goes. Okay, and then reconnect your harness attachment. Okay, now you can move your coolant and radiator bottle. Back and into place. Okay, and bolt them on. Reinstall the gearbox, put it in, push the 2 pins into the fender here. Okay, feel underneath for where the other ones should be going into. Locate them, push that down in, put your air cleaner down in. Looks like one of these clips is broken. Okay. Push the top of the gearbox over, get the 3 pins here. Okay, push it down, clip it on, clip it on, move our cruise servo back into place. And you're all set.
We hope this helps you out. Brought to you by www.1aauto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll-free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.